Assalamu alaikum. This is my last and fifth TEDx task. That is the power of one decision. The power of single decision. Video is all about one single decision can completely change your life. Zara Noor Abbas beautifully explained that in life, every person reaches the moment where small changes can decide their future direction. He highlights that success, failure, happiness, the regret often depend on the decision we make in a single moment. We could choose wisely, we never lose close to our dream, but a wrong decision can also lead us away from our goals. This video inspired thinkers, please stay focused and believe in ourselves. We make the decision, but approach can lead us from the goals part of a life, but learning from them is what truly matters. Thank you.